Hi everyone, today we are looking at Me Plus Lifestyle Routine, a unique app designed to support your daily habits and self-care goals. Whether you are building a morning routine, improving fitness habits or tracking sleep patterns, Me Plus helps you stay consistent and motivated. If you want to download this application, just go to your Google Play Store and App Store. What sets Me Plus apart is the way it blends habits tracking with personalized insights. You can set custom routines for morning, night, fitness, diet, meditation. You name it. You name it, and the app will gently remind you to stay on track. Just download and you need to allow some permissions. Just click on continue again and again. And here we would love to know more about you. How many hours do you typically sleep at night? I think so I sleep around 8 to 10 hours daily. Okay, then you need to click on done. Remember that it even gives you stats on your progress, so you can see what's working and what needs improvement. Understood? How much time do you usually take to get out of bed? Around 0 to 10 minutes. Okay, then they ask how do you feel about your energy levels throughout the day. High energy throughout the day, no, medium, I think so, medium. Then click on continue. How happy are you with your lifestyle as it is now? They are asking the current situation right now. Completely I feel very active and productive now. Slightly I would like to see some improvement. Okay, then click on continue. Then again the final step, how do you envision yourself living a better life? I want to become more productive. Okay, click on that. Whatever you want, just tap on the options. But remember that from lifestyles goals to wellness planning, Me Plus Max habits formation feels simple, visual and rewarding. If you love lifestyle tech and daily routine tools, hit subscribe and turn on notification for more inside app guides. I will see you in the next one, guys. Goodbye, best of luck.